Biggie, did you cut open Violet? You look really guilty holding that knife. That's not good. The knife says okay, but Biggie, that's not okay. You do not use this for that. Bad Biggie. Okay, Violet, it's gonna be okay. We're going to get you fixed up. First, let's prep you, and I'm going to perform emergency elf surgery since I am an official elf doctor now. I recently went to elf school and got my degree in it. Okay. Shh, it's gonna be okay. Okay. Now, next time, Violet, don't eat so much sugar. You had a little bit too much, but I'm gonna put just a few spoonfuls inside of you just to make you feel extra yummy and tasty inside. You're already sweet, but maybe we can make you a teeny bit sweeter. Comment down below if you think Violet's the sweetest elf ever. Okay, shh, it's gonna be okay. Okay. Well, first, here, take some yum yum sips, because a spoonful of sugar will really help that medicine go down. Okay, let's just clean off your mouth before I stitch you shut. Shh. Okay, she's still smiling, so that's a really, really good sign. Okay. Okay, Violet, take a deep breath. We're gonna stitch you shut. Okay, she's still smiling, so that's a really good sign. Good job, Violet. You can do it. Right, Bella? Violet can do it. Okay, you're doing great, Violet. Keep up the great work. Okay. Oh, wait, let me put another spoonful of sugar inside of you. And Biggie, we're gonna move you out of the way. Boop. Okay, a little bit more sugar in there. Okay, I think that's a perfect amount. Okay, let's stitch you shut. Okay, it's gonna be okay. And Violet, don't worry, after you are all stitched shut, I'm going to put some cinnamon on you so that way you can go back to the North Pole and Santa maybe can help you out a little bit. I know that the cinnamon really will help revitalize you, so that is a super duper good sign. Wait, is she still smiling? That was a relief. I was like getting so worried. Okay, don't worry, Violet. It's gonna be okay. Comment down below what we need to do about Biggie. Like, I told him already, and I thought he would have listened by now, but I think I was a little bit wrong. Oh, Biggie, what are we gonna do with him? Such a bad elf off the shelf. Okay, Violet. Now, let's tie this up. Okay, now, let's get the scissors. Do a little bit of snippy snip. Oh, okay. Not my best job, but I tried. Okay, now let's dust you off a bit. Okay, shh, it's okay. It's okay, honey. Shh, shh. Okay, there we go. Now I shall get the cinnamon. Lots and lots of it. Oh, perfect. Perfect amount. Okay, now let's just give you one more spoonful of sugar. Okay, yeah, you can have two. There you go, honey. Now we're gonna come back and hopefully Violet will be better. Look, I can't believe it. This cinnamon really worked. Oh, I'm so glad you're feeling better, Violet. I'm so sorry Biggie did that to you. Well, if you like this video down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf.